mode. The finale is running in straight ahead in the blue flag to the floor.
Yes.
Are approaching us to finish. With some break. Ladies and gentlemen, putting the Union flag above the skies of Wales, the very British Red Arrows. Shortly to do the same up there. I've got to say, it's a real pleasure for us to come here. I know the horse for a day will really love displaying on his home turf.
So what's on now then?
So it just remains for me really to say thank you very much for coming here to watch us. I'm going to be around for 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, coming in from the left-hand side, another one of my favourite manoeuvres. These are what we call rollbacks.
Oh, we are to around. Oh, what?
Inside, rolling around those.
How did we get down there?
It's time to look out to the front and try to pick up the headlights and smoke of Reds 6 to 9. There they are, Reds 8 to 9 with the blue and the red smoke on, barrel rolling around the synchro pair. This is the amazing Jimbo break.
Wow, that's
look at that.
Wow, yeah.
Using lots of rubber. Normally, the even-numbered aircraft fly to the right of the leader, the odds fly to the left. But as you see them now, they're the other way round. We've got 3 and 5 on the right, 2 and 4 on the left. We need to swap them back to where they should be. So this is the clever part of this manoeuvre. This is the bit that gives it its name, the slalom. The living water cross through that. Horse going vertical now.
The colours make it nice, don't they? That is a nice shot that you got there.
And now on the left-hand side, that's him going into a steep climb. We call this manoeuvre the steep climb. There's nothing more interesting than that. Still, nevertheless, it's very impressive in red, white and blue. Now, Horse not only is an experienced display pilot of the Red Arrows, but he's
Coming out again. Oh, why am there?
okay, here's the synchro car again, crossing in front of the lifeboat house as they fly the carousel. Across there, there's 800 miles an hour closure between these two aircraft, and they pass just 100 feet apart.
Wow, did you see how near they went?
Monty, who's on the right, is one predictable 6G bend. Mikey, red 7 on the left, does the job to avoid him, but he's working doubly hard. This is Carousel. That's the version of one rolling the main formation out. They are somewhere out in front of us. I can't see them at the moment. Running in for another drink. There they are, just above the main road.
Wow.
You can see the smoke come on. Watch now as red one pitches up, barrel rolls around the wings of the formation. See him head on, his smoke makes that magical signal for him. Liberty, Phyllis,
Wow, I don't remember doing that one last year.
Former Harrier pilot, his frontline service was with number 4 Squadron, Happy 4 Squadron as it was known, before recently being disbanded. And Eggman started his flying career up in Arian Valley again as a flying instructor before going on to the Harrier Force. Eggman, like all the Harrier pilots, has seen operational service in Afghanistan. He's a very keen runner. He does a lot of running with his wife Emma, although on the team we're pretty sure she's faster than he is. On the team this year. Here he is now, tightening up to 3G in the Swan reversal.
Wow, that's good, isn't it?
So that's red one calling it Red 2 is moving of our Typhoon. This is named after the Royal Air Force's newest fighter aircraft, the Eurofighter Typhoon. Formidable aircraft it is too. Alongside the Tornado GR4 will make the near-term future of the Royal Air Force's combat air power. Spivey was born in Kitwe, Zambia. Grew up for the first 10 years of his life in South Africa between Cape Town and Johannesburg, where I presume he wrestled white rhinos in Kruger National Park. But he came back to the UK, graduated Wyndham College in Norfolk, and went on to fly the Tornado GR4 on the 13th Squadron of RAF Barham. Smiley also served here in North Wales in Arian Valley as a flying instructor on 208 Squadron, Vincent formation. The aircraft now in the lowest position, that's Red 9, Flight Lieutenant James Sennett.